Hey guys, Colin Nicole here, and today we are at Toys R Us. Right. Let's head on in. So excited. Hello. I see him, I've gone past the entrance. There we go. Let's try again, shall we, guys? There we go. So quiet in here. So many toys. Oh, Lego. Whoa. Been amazing. I love go mentally over all the shopping stuff. I've got Lego superheroes. Lego Ranta poster. Oh look, giant low pots. Let's have one of these. Rah. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. They're quite cool. Oh, what else we got here? A little board game.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Lego.
No. Da-da-da-da. Loads of Lego stuff here. What are these? Talking Ben things. Pretty interesting. Those are Angry Birds. Nah, look at them, they're quite cool, isn't it? Any pigs though, for Sam the Pig. Those Christmas ones. Sorry, not Sam the Pig, Sam the Ham. That's so let's find some pigs for Sam the Ham. One of my favourite YouTubers at the moment, fairly honest. There's a Lego. Ooh, what's that over there? Ooh, that's pretty cool. Da 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 da. So yeah, army stuff. Cars. Big trucks. Ah. Looking good. So this one. Oh, Viper. Quite cool, isn't it? Mini Coopers. We can buy ourselves a new car, really. Oh, too many TV things. Solid nano blocks. Pretty interesting, really. Ah, dinosaur. Oh. There's it. Mom, I got myself a dinosaur. Oh, that's quite cool. I like that. Oh, look at him. Hey, how's it going? He's not talking to me. So we've got Star Wars down here. Doctor Who stuff. I also have a solid screwdriver, that'd be quite cool. I'm fairly honest. Quite cool, really, wouldn't it? Right? Oh, the minifigures. What series are you on now then? Series 10 already? Wow, that's been quite far. Looking quite good, looking quite good. Skateboards. A little cotton ramp. Be quite good to take off.
to the handlebars.
You know, I can kind of see myself driving one of those. Pretty cool, isn't it? £130 though. I've not got that much money. I don't have that much money in birth food, to be honest. Wow. There we go, buddy. My little pony. Dashy. Sell those in Toys R Us about £5 as well. There yours. You carry on. It's all Gary stuff right now. Little car, very cool, isn't it? What's down this one? I haven't seen any cuddly teddy bears yet. Cuddly animals. Or any pigs for Sam the Ham. There's a guy called Meerkat. Do try him. Doesn't he do anything? Okay, not to worry. No, there's a Furby! Ah, I used to love these Furbies. I just had one of these one ages ago. They've changed so much now. There we go, found Sam the Ham. There he is, everybody, there's Sam the Ham. Hi Sam the Ham. Sam the Ham. Sam the Ham. He's not talking to Sam the Ham. Hello there. No, hello Sam the Ham. Let's put him back up there, shall we? Yep. Wow, Muppet characters. Well, we've got Fuzzy. We've got Fuzzy Bear. That's a bit of a shame, but we've got a Kermit there, to be honest. So on the other side, we've got those cuddly animals and more pigs. There's a Nemo fish. Roar. He's quite cool.
I'm not making the choice for you. You have to make the choice yourself. Mummy, easy.
There's some wild home pony things here. It's all wooden stuff. I know there's someone called Miss Hannah Hambleton. We quite like these unicorn dolls. Not sure if she still likes unicorns though, we'll have to find out on that. I'm pretty sure she does like unicorns still though. But we still have to find out. Ah, wooden train sets, used to have these. Yeah, spent ages playing with this stuff. In the good old days. Like little engine sheds. It all changes. Used to be like little dinky little wooden thing with wheels. Now it's all real life, really. Luigi's Mansion 2, one. Good game. You should probably play that sometime. New Black Ops game. Not Black Ops, Call of Duty. When do you think there ever will be the last Black Call of Duty? Let's have a look at it, shall we? I can pick up my beak. There we go. Not much on the back of that. Pair of yours. Lego City on the cover. That's a good game. Especially, I have to play it on the Wii U though, not on the Nintendo DS. A lot better on the Wii U. My Xbox. Did it do anything? Seems to be broken. So the Wii U here. Couldn't have much over ready, to be honest.
more with the tag learning system.
Oh, really?
From Leapfrog.
Well guys, I think that's about it for Toys R Us, fairly honest. Not much, quite a small Toys R Us, I've been to bigger. But yeah, after the interesting start of missing the entrance, it's quite interesting really, wasn't it? So yeah guys, if you think on the Crow at Toys R Us, stay tuned for more videos. I mean, also we've been to Crealy one, the previous one, that was quite good fun. We'll probably do that again, but the whole park is and spend a whole day at it. Until next time guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.